Good day, everyone. I am Christine Heraldo Banquiao. My research title is all about sustaining food security and health through indigenous knowledge, a study in traditional plant-based practices in Rizal, Zamboanga del Norte.
Indigenous knowledge systems and practices have long been integral to the survival and well-being of many communities worldwide, particularly in rural and indigenous societies. This traditional knowledge system encompasses a wealth of environmental, agricultural, and medicinal wisdom that has been accumulated through generations of interaction with nature. In the face of rapid modernization and climate change, however, much of this knowledge is at risk of being lost. Recognizing the importance of IKSP is not just about preserving cultural heritage. It is about sustaining effective and time-tested solutions for food security, healthcare, and environmental adaptation. Many local households rely on indigenous plants for food, traditional medicine, and environmental conservation efforts.
Significance of the study. The findings of this study will be significant in various ways. Number one, for local communities. The study will provide documentation of traditional plant knowledge which can serve as a resource for future generations. Number two, for policymakers. The finding can inform policies on sustainable agriculture and indigenous knowledge conservation. Number three, for educators and researchers. The study will contribute the growing body of literature on indigenous knowledge systems, food security, and climate adaptation. Number four, for environmental conservationists. Understanding how indigenous knowledge contributes to sustainability efforts can help in developing climate resilience strategies. So, here is the theoretical framework and the research objectives.
Methodology: qualitative data collected through interview. Category: demographic and personal information. Knowledge of traditional plants and use of plants for food. Knowledge of traditional plants and their use of medicine. Observation climate change. Cultural and ritual practices and plant usage. Adaptation to climate change. And the details is age is 64, gender female, location West Poblacion of Rizal, Zamboanga del Norte, occupation DSWD, years in the community is 50 more years, common plants Kamonggay, Alagbati, and Gabi, hand live on or gabon for cough and illness of the body. Plants dying due to the weather, traditional harvesting, harvested without damage the plant's base, preservation of traditional plant practices and methods.
So here is the major findings, discussion and analysis. This research will provide valuable insights in the cultural practices related to plant use for food and medicine in Rizal, Zamboanga del Norte, while addressing the critical issue of climate change. It will also empower the community by preserving their knowledge and helping them adapt to the challenges imposed by environmental changes. The study will highlight the important role that social workers can play in facilitating this process and ensuring the community's resilience in the face of environmental shifts. Thank you, ma'am, and once again, good day.